Good evening, this is Lincoln with Spectrum Inspections. I'm doing a sewer scope this afternoon, and I am at about 70 feet out, which is about 26, 27 meters. As you can see on my screen, I'm hitting a very large object that I am not able to get past, and it is not moving with the water. So this needs to be evaluated by a licensed plumber. I've also seen several significant separations and dislocations of joints. So we're going to go ahead and start our way back now. Like I said, this line will have to be rooted and re-scoped at a minimum. So here we go, coming back now. So we're in a belly here. Significant roots on the left-hand side, a lot of it. So that needs to be evaluated on why it's all on that one side, because I cannot see the integrity of the clay pipe. And we have a lot of buildup here on both sides, as you can see as I'm pulling back through it. Again, I'm seeing roots there on the bottom left. We have intrusions on the left at about 9 p.m. Okay, I'm seeing a crack at 9 o'clock with displacement and a large root mass. That should not be a joint there. That could be a crack. It needs to be evaluated by a licensed plumber. Okay, and we're seeing roots again coming up on the left, and again a joint that's compromised by roots. And we have another root mass coming up here on the left. And the significant separation there. And again, we got roots building up here on the left-hand side. And it's highly compromised at this joint. I didn't see a joint there, just a lot of roots penetration. So that means that there's a crack in the line, probably somewhere right around this point here, because then it starts to thin out. So it looks like we have a crack in the line. Root intrusions here. A lot of roots. Okay, we have an offset there to the left that is impeding water flow. intrusion, offset. We're getting into a little bit of a belly here. I can't really see a whole lot. It's not a deep belly. There's a long belly though. A little bit of an offset to the left. Give a large root mass here on the right. Another root mass on the right. It's a compromised joint. Okay. Got a root mass that's broken loose here. I can't tell if there's any exposed dirt or not. That joint seems intact. Okay, we've got roots on either side. Yep, this whole joint is compromised with roots. Now that is a very significant dissociation there. It's compromised with roots and is an offset. And a minor offset there. Okay, that one is an offset that is impeding water flow. You can see the water cupping on this side of the joint. Oh, we have another big belly here. Not looking too bad. But that joint doesn't look right to me. Yeah, you can see it down to the bottom. We have a moderate offset that is impeding water flow.